The first capacitive sensor is the variable capacitor, the angular variable capacitor, and it basically is a comb-like structure, like here, where you have a number of plates where one is at a fixed position, while the other is so-called rotor is possible to rotate around. So in this figure here, every second plate here is stationary, and every second is possible to rotate. So here you have the stationary ones, and here you have the rotatable ones. So they will go into each other in a comb-like structure, but they will not touch each other. And therefore, if you look at the capacitance equation again, C equals epsilon null, that was for vacuum, epsilon, which is for the, or the epsilon R, for the material that you put between, times A over L. D, distance between the plates. Well, the epsilon null for vacuum, I guess you have air between them, but for normal air, this one becomes neglectable, so it's basically 1.0 for air. You have the distance between the plates, which will not vary, but this one will vary a lot. So in that way you can make a variable capacitor which is depends on C is a function of angle. So you have an angle detector. This one is actually quite common in older radios, where you had the channel selector which was based on this principle here. But you still find them in many applications as an angle detector.